Let's make a boomerang bird. To begin with, half your piece of paper, and then half again. After that, make sure you know where's the center point. Align yourself and fold. One more time, the other side, center, and then 45 degrees. Align with this line and fold. After that, there you are. Now, hold up, and you can find out where you can stop. Let's imagine there's 1/3 of 3 parts. 1 part, 2 parts. One more time, 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I want 1/2 only, 1/3. That means I stop here. So 1/3. Shut your eyes and fold. Press very real hard. Turn the other side, fold the opposite direction, and fold real hard. Good. Open up. Imagine all these will need to go in. So you can fold here, fold here, fold here, and fold here. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Yep, it goes in. Done. See, it's gone in. Amazing. And after that, remember it's supposed to be 2/3 left behind. So open it up, let it fall to the bottom. Okay, then turn over. And fold in. Okay. Very fold. Then one half here. Fold. Fold again. The other side. You should press hard because it's thick in front. Lift up the flap, lift up the other flap. Okay. And then open it up. And there you are. Now from this angle, it looks like an airplane has got 2 rudders. Good. What about if you turn it upside down? it will look like an eagle, and then with the two legs ready to grab its prey. Right? Okay. So, the amazing fact about this airplane is that it can fly this way, and it can fly this way. So if you are to launch it about 45 degrees up, when it stops, it will turn around and come back to you. So this is another version of boomerang plane. Have fun?